I think I'm going to be echoing a lot of what Achna has just said. With regard to Pakistan, the financial crisis hasn't had a major bearing on the microfinance industry in the country. We feel that there has been a slight shrinking of liquidity, but that's primarily not been because of the financial crisis. It's been more so because banks, commercial banks have held back a little bit lately because of the situation in the country. So we wouldn't attribute it to the global financial crisis. Also, another challenge that has come up for Pakistan lately is within the country there's been food-based inflation, so that and some of the energy crisis that the country has been facing has put pressure on clients, and there have been some problems with repayment. So these are all very sort of country-specific issues, and I wouldn't say that they can really be attributed to the financial crisis. And similarly to with the case in India, the state bank has been careful about allowing too much foreign investment into the sector, and also for these organizations to deal in foreign currencies. So sort of once again they've been proved right, because with the major devaluation in currency and all that, the sector has sort of been insulated from those risks.